Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will show you how you can apply and utilize the perspective crop tool for your items and projects on Photopea. So let us get started right away. So guys, head over to photo or image on Photopea, and let's assume, for example, you'd like to crop out specific objects or items in your image. It is very simple, guys. So what you want to do for that is use the perspective crop tool or cropping tool. To do that, head over to that panel here on the left hand side, and from that toolbar select the crop tool with your right mouse, and after that you will be redirected to that drop down menu here. So from that menu, select the perspective crop tool with your left mouse, and after that simply use these edges here to crop out the object or item you would like to crop out. So let me go, for example, with that wooden part here at the top. So let me just filter it out by outlining it with these edges, just like that. And last but not least, simply press enter on your keyboard to crop out that part or item of your image. And as you can see, it has been prospectively cropped out using the perspective crop tool. And that's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.